think we found a good spot to take off with the drone. This could be cool. So we're at the play place or whatever, playground up here. Just remind, don't litter please, and smoke free. There's little X's and O's, you know, tic-tac-toe, whatever that's called, some slides, you know, not exactly the extent of stuff that as a child I had, like merry-go-rounds and the more eccentric play pieces, but yeah, for risk-averse parents, I guess, trying to protect, it might be fair and fine, but I don't know. Different generational perspective, I suppose, as far as like what are we protecting each other from. So I should probably see if any of this stuff works. Looks like we got water coming out, so that's nice. You wanna get some water? Come on, up. Good girl, Kiwi. Kiwi knows how to indulge. Good girl. Chloe, come on, up. Up. Good girl. That's a good girl. Is that good? Huh? Yeah, we'll stay here for a minute so we can explore the park from this angle, and we'll just kind of go out in that direction, up over all the tennis courts and some of the stuff that we've already walked today. So let's go. All right, so this is the main reason I definitely needed to get that tripod today. And it's gonna be really hot right here. Oh my God, the sun just popped out, and that, I mean, as much as I'm gonna like it for the shot on the drone, this is kind of what I have, you know, to do. I'm thinking I'll bring that over. Actually, I'm gonna have to record on the GoPro anyway, but I got 3 packs of batteries, so I could do some pretty extensive flying today. And Sundays is probably one of the better days to entertain the notion of flying the drone, because, well, there's not as much activity. I almost want to save one of these for going downtown today, because there's so much to explore and show, like with the bridge and whatnot down there. But I'm gonna have to switch this over to the GoPro actually right now. So what do I do? And I've got everything out ready to go with the drone, with the exception of the phone, which with this tech sucks because I actually need that. But this is where we're gonna be taking off with the drone. So it'll be right from this like center place essentially, on the playset. So the idea is to point it directly down and just fly it directly up and then shoot it out. So let's swap for the GoPro real quick. Come on, shoot, start shooting. See, these GoPros are just sometimes really annoying. They like freeze, or it said it was recording, but now it's like frozen. Granted, like it's a hot, humid day and I'm out here. Yeah, it says SD card error. Let's check it out. Missing SD card, no SD card. Did I put it in wrong? Did I put it in backwards? No. Okay. Okay, now we're recording. So yeah, anyway, so this is like the way old ancient joystick, if you will. The bag, the case, and the drone. And Chloe. Hi, Chloe. So, other than the drone, I had to pick up all my pieces here. Put that right back in there. Auto exposure. The GoPros, it's just, I don't know. It's kind of annoying sometimes. Okay, and I'm gonna need to tie Chloe up because she just will not stop pulling on me, and it's frankly just getting freaking annoying. So for better or for worse, I don't know. Now she starts running. Come here. Come here. 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 Good girl. Alright. We'll see. All the tools are out. This is where it's annoying because it's such a mess. It's always such a mess to do this. But it is worth it. Activate that, turn the phone on, my sunglasses, it makes it a little harder to see the screen, something to take note of. So here we go, and turn on the drone. Okay. I'm gonna heater this up so you can get at least a little bit better perspective. Hopefully with the GoPro. You're actually looking at me. And start recording. So it's gonna be pointing directly toward me.
Take off.
Here we are. Okay, so that's nice. But there's my gimbal shot up and down. So what I want to do is just point it directly down. And get it directly over this spot. That's my ability. Wind current sometimes, like in this small little area, isn't the most.
Home point updated.
So we're pointing directly down essentially at this point. And we go up. What I don't like right now is that it's not calibrated. So I think I'm just going to have to go directly up from here. Just kind of allow the shot to explore and be itself. space over there to really play with. Pretty cool shot. Can't tell exactly what's out there, but looks like there's some birds flying up here with me. Kind of cool. The slow pan. Power at EU. I kind of want to get some of these highlights flying That's a nice shot, and then I'll come back. It's kind of double the effort because I could probably easily just put that in reverse and then backward. It's kind of nice just sometimes to just have one more shot. Chloe, come on. Come. What you got? You drop it? No. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. No. Come on. Come on, let's go. Slow down. This is the annoying part of the puppy experience, is that she just will not pull. But this is the best way for me to have one leash instead of two. I'll tie a little knot in the middle of the one, extending essentially Chloe's leash, but also giving Kiwi the authority to kind of sit back. Chloe, come on. Yeah, there was something in the bushes, I know. So similar to how Kiwi was as a pup, and still is. She just eagerly wants to go and find everything.